Welcome into the video. I am your tech guy Wayne, and today I want to show you what to do if your Samsung Galaxy S25 freezes or your touchscreen is not working properly. If you notice the phone is glitching a lot, this is a quick tip that you can use to force your phone to restart. It takes a few seconds, and all the phone is going to do is turn off, turn back on. You won't lose any of your data, but it should fix any software issues that you're having. Let's go ahead and give it a shot right now. We're just going to hold down on the power button and the volume down button until the entire screen goes off. All right, let's try it now. Power, volume down. We're going to press them together just like this. 1, 2, 3, hold. You will see this pop up on the screen. Continue to hold the buttons, and after about 5 to 10 seconds, the screen is going to shut off just like that. Once it shuts off, let go of the buttons and give it a few seconds. The phone is going to turn back on, and that's it. Basically, it's going to force the phone to shut down, turn it back on, and it should fix any software issues you're having. Now, sometimes the phone won't turn back on, and that's okay. Don't be scared. All you're going to do is just press your power button, give it a few seconds, and the phone will turn back on. And the great thing about this, it mimics the process of how cell phones used to be when you used to pull the back off and actually take the battery out of the phone. That's what this does. It sends a command to the phone that says, hey, shut the system down, and then it's going to boot it right back up. All right. Now I'm going to press that power button one more time. There we go. So our screen is back on. Now, I've seen it take up to a minute for the phone to turn back on. So again, I don't want you to be scared if you press the buttons, the phone shut off, and then it didn't turn back on. It sometimes can take up to a minute for it to power back on. What we've just done is what's called a soft reset. We've just, again, shut down the system, turned it back on, and this should fix any issues you're having with the software. Now, if your screen is cracked, okay, if you have any physical damage on the screen, this may not fix your issue, because if you've done this and the phone is still glitching, then you may have a hardware issue. In that case, the next thing I recommend you to do is go to Samsung.com, go to web support. You can connect to the web support and they can refer you to a Samsung certified repair center in your area, or you can just find your local cell phone and repair shop, bring it in and have them take a look at the screen, and then they can usually diagnose if there is an issue with the screen and give you a quote on what it'll cost to replace it. So I hope you guys got value out of this video. If it was, bump that like button down below. I've got more videos on the S25. I'll link to a playlist right here with all my other S25 videos, and I'll link to another really helpful video right there as well, all right? Thanks again for watching. Take care, and as always, have a good one.